Want to take a paid Coursera course and still get the certificate for free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply for Coursera Financial Aid step by step. Coursera Financial Aid is for learners who can't afford the certificate cost. If you get approved, you can access the paid course content and earn the certificate by completing the course requirements. First, search for the course you want on Coursera. On the course page, look for a link that says Financial Aid Available. If you don't see that option, it means that specific courses may not support financial aid. Click Financial Aid Available, then choose the course session if asked, and hit Continue. Coursera will take you to a financial aid application form where you'll enter basic details like your education and employment status. Now this part matters. Coursera will ask why you're applying for aid and how this course will help your goals. Be honest and specific. Mention your career goal, like getting a job in data analytics, cybersecurity, or project management, and explain why you can't afford the full cost right now. After that, submit the application. Coursera will review it, and if you're approved, you'll get an email update. Then you can enroll and complete the course to earn the certificate. Quick tips. Don't copy-paste random answers. Don't write one-line responses. Make sure your goal matches the course, and apply only if you truly need it. A strong application is simple, clear, and professional. If you want, I can also give you a ready-to-copy financial aid answer template that works for most Coursera courses. Subscribe for the next video.